right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back, and we are in the Bethesda office with natural transplants, and I am excited to see Mel come back with us. Mel, you're third of several brothers, but the third that I've worked with.
Right.
It's been about a little over a year since your procedure.
14 months.
You look a heck of a lot younger than you did about a year ago, and it looks awesome. I love it. We'll talk a little bit more about that, but overall, thanks for doing this. Thanks for coming in. Overall, tell us about the year, the good, the bad. How'd it go?
It went great. It was just a little waiting process in the beginning, and after several months, pretty much everything's back to normal. Just waiting for everything to come through.
Awesome.
I was
gonna say you had another procedure done elsewhere first, and so we were actually the second procedure you had done.
Right.
And you happy with the results?
I'm ecstatic with the results. I just more than I would have hoped for. So
that's great.
Yeah.
You said you saw somebody you hadn't seen in like
40 years.
40 years, and they said you hadn't changed a bit, right?
Yeah, I was like, oh yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, but it was great. It was a very nice
awesome.
compliment. I think that's a tribute to you as well.
You did great. What I'm going to have you do is just I'm going to have Kenza sort of zoom in just so we can kind of give a little bit of a tour around here.
Okay.
And we have the hair flipped over, but even pulling it back again. 30 to 40% results. I think you nailed it. Probably more on that 40% side. Mm-hmm. It looks natural. You're not going for that 18-year-old look anyway. That would look odd on you. I think it looks really natural on you. There's still some areas that if you wanted to do a second one to fill it in even more, but I think it looks natural. You're natural for your age, and it's so much better than what you had before.
Oh.
I'm gonna spin you around a little bit. Okay. Scar earlier. You can see a little bit of the thin scar back here. You can go half this. You can probably go down to a 3-guard easily and wouldn't see the scar. Looks really nice. So what I'm going to have you do, if you don't mind, is just hold still for 2 or 3 seconds. And then look down for 2 or 3 seconds. And then pick a side, left or right. Turn left or right, and then hold that for 2 or 3. And then towards me. Beautiful. You've done this before. What a model. All right. Any words of advice for anybody out there kind of considering it or thinking about it?
I would say don't hesitate. Come in. It just it was well worth it. It's more than I expected, and I highly recommend coming to see Dr. Blumenthal. His staff.
It was a pleasure. I love working with you and your family. Great. You guys are so much fun. Welcome to the family. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you.
All right, send us postcards on your voyages over the world, all right?
Okay, I will.
Right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.